This video is sponsored by Professional Photographers of America. Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be a model and a photographer. I've collaborated with a super talented local photographer, Morgana. She asked me if I could model for her, and of course I said yes. I love her work. It's very moody, cinematic. She tells a story through her images. It's quite different from mine, and I love that. Collaborating with photographers that do something differently from you is an amazing opportunity to learn and grow and try something new. Morgana is stunning, so I also asked her during our shoot if I could snap a few simple portraits of her. So I'm going to show you guys those first, and the rest of the behind the scenes will be Morgana's shoot with me as a model. So definitely watch till the end. Let's unravel the scarf. So you're gonna bring all of your hair like this, and then it's like a shawl.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Wow, that's so good. You guys will be surprised that I shot these at f2.8. I wanted to challenge myself and shoot at different apertures that I normally do, and surprisingly, I really enjoyed the results. Let me know what you guys think. The only thing, it's a little bit dark in here. Yeah, let me try. Oh, yeah, let's do like you looking this way. Yeah, because I'm not really shooting like your pants, just the, ooh, that's super nice. Wow. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do one more, not in here, but like in the actual trees. Ooh, oh my god. That is really cool, but that one I'm gonna shoot 1.2. You know what, hold it like this in your hand. Yes, yeah. Yes. Okay, and let's do one where you're like, maybe like almost like hugging the tree. Okay. Let's do your hair out. This should be perfect placement. Okay. Yes. Wow, so cool. You still like that? I'm gonna do like a little bit further away. And look a little bit this way. I don't have the behind the scenes for this image, but I shot it at f5.6 and I really like it. I love how you can see the background. It really works in this particular case. And here's the next clip for another image that I did on the hill. And because we had the mountains in the background, I really wanted to shoot it at high f-stop as well. So these ones I shot at f8. I think the f8 might be a little bit too much for me. I think I'll stick to like f5.6 next time if I want to incorporate more background. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Now, before we move on, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, Professional Photographers of America. Join a community of over 32,000 photographers that includes equipment insurance, education, and business tools made specifically for small business owners like you. I have talked about PPA many times on my channel, and today I want to remind you guys about a highly anticipated event, Imaging USA 2022. This photography conference will be held in National Harbor, Maryland, and run from January 16th through the 18th. Imaging USA is the world's largest and oldest photography convention and expo. 80+ speakers from across the photographic community, over 100 educational sessions, Imaging USA Expo with all the new and the best loved photography products, inspiring exhibits, and so much more. It's an amazing experience for photographers. And I'm excited to announce that I will be attending this January for the first time. So if you'd like to meet me, that is one place where you'll be able to catch me. You have two ways to register. First, join PPA and go for free your first year of membership, or register for only $99. Click the link in my description to get your ticket to the hottest photography show of 2022, Imaging USA, and I will see you there.
Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna get you to do like really weird dramatic things, like you like kick up your leg and do like a big spin and go for it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh, I love that. That looks so good. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna get you to stand on this like path thing, and I'm gonna shoot you. I'm actually gonna get you to start like where that pole is, and I'm gonna get you to like dramatically walk towards me. Oh my gosh. And go for it. Beautiful. Well, let's do one where you don't look back and then one where you look back, but I'm gonna get you to like hold like the side of the dress or skirt and go for it. Beautiful. I'm gonna get you to tuck a little bit of that dress under the skirt. Perfect. Oh my gosh, that looks so good. Oh my gosh, that looks so nice. The wind is doing so many favors. Beautiful. Beautiful.
When the sun went down, Morgana decided to use this lamp as a prop, and she plugged it into the portable charger.
Okay, so how do you want me to more like?
Yeah, we'll do both. That looks sick. Yay!
Now, do you want me more with like this light?
I'm just shooting like wide right now, so you can like exist around it.
Yeah, you let me know.
Yes. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna get you like kneel. I liked what you were doing when you knelt. Beautiful.
So, like this or actually?
That looks good. Maybe if you want to like close your eyes so I don't get like the eyelash shadows. Beautiful. I'm actually gonna get you to hold it like more to the edge so you can tip it.
Oh, you want to?
Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, maybe if you like want to leave it undone though. Yeah. I'm gonna get you to take like a little bit of a step behind it. Beautiful.
I think this angle looks really cool for Irene.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Honestly, it's quite dark in here. Maybe I'm just gonna get you to hold it for this one, and I'll take the table away.
Careful, don't monster light yourself.
Yeah.
Beautiful. That looks so good. Oh, what? That looks sick. Actually, if you want to leave it on the ground and like sit beside it, yeah. Or like maybe like fully sit like on your butt. Oh, that looks crazy. I'm gonna get you to like lay it on the ground.
Like fully?
Yeah. And maybe like prop the lamp up against by the tree, if it will stay. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool. Yep, that's it. That's exactly what I want. Oh my god, that looks so good. Beautiful.
So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I included here the collages that Morgana does with her images to tell this story. I hope you enjoyed something different today. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!